this quiet ride. Ocean wind through tangled hair. Summer memory everywhere. Dashboard glowing golden blue. Every song reminds me of you. Half smiles in the rearview frame. Nothing really feels the same. And the city moves so slow, like it knows we're not going home. Every second in this car feels closer than we are. Faded Polaroids in my mind. Late night roads and your hand in mine. Windows down while the moonlight shines. Trying to freeze this moment in time. Faded Polaroids, blurry lights. Soft hearts underneath the night. No forever, no goodbye. Just this feeling while we drive. Coffee stains and old receipts. Quiet rhythms underneath. You laugh softly at the rain as it dances on the lane. Headlights passing one by one, like memories we're running from. But tonight feels warm enough in this slow and silver rush. Maybe mornings change the mood. Maybe people drift like smoke. But tonight the world feels still, like it bends around this road. Faded